Okay, don't like a cat.
Oh wait, oh yeah, that's good.
Thanks.
Wait, go ahead.
Hey y'all, I'm back with another video, and this one is for Halloween. It's like my favorite holiday, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I hope y'all enjoy this tutorial how I got this cute cat look. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at its.brigee. Let's get into it, y'all. So again, this is a throwback. I did this, I think 2019. Yeah, I want to say 2019. Um, and normally, y'all, I go all out for Halloween. Like, I go all out, like, all out. I'll post some pictures. But, I usually go all out. But this year, I don't know what happened. I wasn't able to go all out. So, I was just a cat. Okay? Don't judge me. I was just a cat. Real basic, real basic. And I tried doing makeup up close, watching this. It was okay. Was it the best? But if it's like the day before Halloween or the night of Halloween, you don't know what to do, baby. This is a tutorial for you. Ooh. This is the tutorial for you. Like, quick, simple cat. So I started off with my primer. My edges are setting. I try to do some cute little swirls with my edges, a little dramatic. And now right here, I'm going in with a black. I think is like eyeliner. I think this is eyeliner. So, fun fact, I was a theater minor, and so I had to take like a makeup and costume class. So we had to get like a makeup kit, and this was one of the items in the makeup kits. And I decided to use it because when am I gonna use? When next time am I gonna use it? I don't know. So I was like, let me fill in my eyebrows with black. Usually I do like a dark brown, but I want to do black because I'm a black cat and I need some black brows. Blackity black. Yeah, y'all get it. So I'm just going in. Again, it's Halloween. I want my eyebrows to be dramatic. I want it to pop. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm trying to do. And like I normally do, I'm gonna still brush that product through my brows. You know what I'm saying? Still want to look a little natural. Um, and I actually liked, how the dark brows look. Like y'all will see, y'all kind of saw at the beginning, but kind of liked it. You know what I'm saying? So we going in with the black. I hate these little wooden pencils because I be nervous. I'm gonna cut myself, get a splinter, whatever. Make sure y'all pencil is sharp, okay? Make sure it's sharp. So again, I think I just ran to the store with my friend. It was when I was working at the hospital. One of my coworkers had a Halloween party at their house. And so, I did what I could the last minute because I don't think I knew I was going to this party. But again, I'm going to go ahead and brush that through. And so I knew I wanted to do like of course I wanted my eyes to look a little cat eye-ish. Of course I wanted to try a cut crease, and of course I wanted some sparkles. So I kind of just went along with it as I was putting on my makeup like I usually do. But now I'm going in with a concealer like normal, underneath my brows, lighter color. And I want to go ahead and apologize in advance, y'all. This is a long video, but I wanted to like not miss any steps, because it's Halloween, and I feel like I don't know. It's like a makeup class like I did in school, or like I don't know, just being more dramatic than normal. So I was like, let me just make a longer video so y'all can really see everything. It's a special occasion, it calls for a longer video. Hey, let's just put it like that. So now, like normal, I'm gonna go in at the top with a concealer that's a shade basically like the shade of my complexion, like the same color at the top. And I'm not one of the people that like change out my concealers or foundations based off of the weather outside. Maybe I should, but I guess at some point that concealer was the same color as my skin. I don't even think it's that far off, but I don't know. I'm just saying. So we're gonna blend that in real nice, real nice. Y'all see I do like the little circle swoop. Y'all see that under there? Yeah. That's why I'm trying to set my brows for so long. I mean, that's why I'm trying to set my edges for a long time, because I tried something different. And my edges are stubborn. So I needed them to be set for a while. Now I'm going with the same concealer I used at the top, and I'm still gonna, the rest of my makeup is pretty much the same. It's just what I'm gonna do on top of it, if that makes sense. Like my whiskers and my nose, my top lip, my exaggerated cat eyes. So I'm still doing everything the same, still correcting, color correcting or whatever, trying to make sure my skin is one even color, a nice even tone palette, a nice foundation. And now I'm gonna get my actual foundation and go ahead and blend that into my skin real nice. Now, as this video goes on, you're gonna see I didn't do the best job blending at all. At all. So that's why I'm saying, like, up close, this was tragic. Y'all know, but I made it work. It did good. Look good for the night. But like, just make sure when y'all doing y'all makeup, unless that's the look y'all going for Halloween, make sure you blend it into your neck. Make sure you blend it into your sideburns, into your hairline, all that. Okay, y'all, black eyeshadow is kind of scary and kind of dangerous to work with. It's hard to like correct it if you mess up with the dark. And so like I always say in my videos, like make sure y'all start out light. Like you can always build on top. Start out light. Again, start out light. Don't do too much at the start. You know what I'm saying? Like start off light, especially with the darker colors like the dark navy blues, the dark purples, the dark blacks, like, well, not dark black, but blacks, all that. Like start off light, and you can always blend out. It's always gonna be like excess on your brush, and just blend it out like I'm doing right here. If I needed this to blend closer to my eyebrows, I would either try to get closer to the edge, like close to my eyebrow, without adding any more product, and see how far that'll get me, and if that gets me to my desired look. Or I'm gonna add a little bit of the black to my brush and start further away from the brow and blend up, if that makes sense. Like start in the already darker part and blend up and see if that gets you your desired look, and that should get you your desired look. And now with this, I know I want to do like pink as well, so I just did a pink and I'm just mixing that in. and blending that into my brow or closer to my brow. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye, and then we're just gonna go back and forth trying to make sure we blend this really nice and that they, you know, pretty much look the same on both eyes. Now I'm going with a lighter pink for my highlight underneath, like my little shimmer underneath my eyebrows, and that went perfect. That's my Juvia's Place. So for my black and my pink, that's my matte. It comes from my palette. Like, you could build your own palette, and that's where that comes from, so I don't know exact colors. And then this is from my Juvia's Place palette, this pink, and it just blends perfectly. See how it goes from dark to the pink and then to the even lighter pink? That's exactly what I was going for. Okay, y'all, here come the tip to my cut crease. I want to try a cut crease again. Like, I know I can get it better. So with the cut crease, my technique, I think, me watching this video, was to keep my eye open and just follow the curvature or the shape of my eye to make the crease, the cut, whatever you want to call it. But I feel like I could have probably went a little bit higher. And then for this part, I pretty much do the same thing I do when I do my wing. Kind of start from the outer corner and then come in and work my way in like that. Yeah, I feel like I definitely could have went higher. I'm gonna watch more videos on this and I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna pop back out with a cut crease and it's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be amazing. Y'all just wait. But I feel like I definitely could have went a little higher and then connected it. There you go. I'm doing it a little bit. It's not horrible, y'all, but y'all kind of see it. I can't believe I just really pulled my lid with my lashes. What's going on? Yeah, there we go. That's better. That's better. I be forgetting, like, while I'm doing a cut crease, how the cut crease supposed to look. Like, how to crease the cut, the whatever. I be forgetting how it's supposed to look while I'm mid-cut creasing. So I'm doing the same on the other eye. Let's see if I can do it just as good, better, or worse the other eye. I tend to do whatever I do second better. Sometimes. I can't say that all the time. Because other times maybe I might start off doing it good and then I can't replicate it. So I don't know. It just depends. What is it like for y'all? Like, is your first side of your face better than the second side of your face, or vice versa? Like, what is it? So y'all see how I like came from the outer corner and came in? That's exactly how I do my wing when I do my eyeliner. So it just felt natural to just do that with this. Yeah. See, you look a little better to me. What y'all think? They kind of look similar. I did a pretty okay job making them look a little similar. There I go putting on my lid again. Also, now when I do my cut creases, I set them with my Laura Mercier because I feel like the product is still like wet and everything, so it transfers and it moves and it mixes with other stuff. So I just want to make sure it's set so it doesn't mix and mess up the rest of my makeup. But I look satisfied, but I do feel like my left eye on the right side is really better. But that look cute when my eyes are open. Looking at you, they look real good. And so now, also on this makeup kit that I got from school, it had like different colors, like a deep purple, deep red, a yellow, and a black. And they were, I don't want to say like a pomade, but like kind of like paint, but not really. What can I describe it to? Like, how can I describe it to y'all? Like, it was just a wet texture. And so that's what I'm using right now. It's black. And I'm using that to help exaggerate my cut crease a little more. So I just dip it in there and then I just follow my cut crease. Like where the end of my concealer meets the end of my shadow. Hope that makes sense, my eyeshadow. And I just follow that on around. And I'm gonna do the same on the other eye. Y'all, I'm so sad. I ain't doing nothing for Halloween this year. Ain't that sad? Halloween's my favorite holiday. I like to dress up and everything. I love to dress up, make my own costumes. I love going to Halloween parties. I love doing costume contests. I love going to haunted houses. I love watching scary movies. I just love Halloween. Like, it's my mama's fault. My mom definitely got me on the scary movie tip. Like, I love scary stuff. But this year, I'm in a new area. Most of my friends here do not like scary stuff. And yeah, and they got no boo. So, yeah, so sad. Last year, I went to a haunted house. I got me a spooky bouquet. Year before that, went to haunted houses. Year before that, went to haunted houses. All the years before that, I dressed up. Like, last year I was Aaliyah from Queen of the Damned. The year before that, I was it Cardi B? I think it was Cardi B. And then before that was Hallie from Babs. And then this, I think. But yeah, I'm not doing nothing this year. I'm making this video for y'all. I'm just kidding. I'm enjoying it. But y'all really kind of heard about that. But I did buy me some cute flowers from Kroger. Cute Halloween flowers. So, yeah. I'm a little festive. And I got some cards, some Halloween cards, so that's cool. But yeah, I'm kind of salty. But I needed to just relax. I'm okay with relaxing, so that's what we doing. I'm gonna carve pumpkins tomorrow and finally watch Hocus Pocus 2. But yeah, anyway. Back to the video. So y'all saw I took the liner and I extended it further than what it is because of course I want to exaggerate a cat eye. And now I'm just going back and cleaning up that line that I made with that dark liquidy stuff or paint stuff with my concealer. It looks so messy, y'all. That's why I was saying, like, up close, it looked crazy, like. But whenever I mess up, as long as you have like concealer that like matches your skin tone to clean it up, or you can even use foundation to clean stuff up too. That helps. And then adding glitter to anything always covers it up. Like when you mess up your nails, if they dry and you mess them up, put some glitter polish on it, it ain't even messed up no more. Same with your eyes, or yeah, basically your eyes. You don't really put glitter on nothing else. Unless, again, it's Halloween. So you might put it on other places. But, like, when you're doing your eyes and you mess up, just put some glitter on it. It's a quick fix. Okay, so now that I got that on, now I'm gonna go in and fix it some more. Fix it some more. And I'm trying to think, like, technically me putting on the glitter, did I have to do this? Maybe not. But again, I just be doing stuff as I go. So to avoid any mishaps in the future, I just go ahead and make everything look good, I guess, in the present, like while I'm doing it. And so if I go back and if I didn't do this and I put the glitter on there and you could see where like my black line probably wasn't as crisp as it could have been, then I'm like, dang, then I'm trying to go back and put black on it. Y'all know what I mean? So just try to make it look good as you go. And so now I got my little glitter palette. I'm going to start off with a really, really light, like, pink. Then I'm going to do, like, a darker pink, like maybe a fuchsia-ish pink. And then red. I think I do red at the end. Like a little ombre. Straight like that. And I love this glitter because it just sticks. It just stick there. It just stay. That's the palette right there. So now I'm going to do like a darker pink. See how it's getting dark, like it's a little darker than the pink that I started out with, right? And I'm gonna do the same on the other eye. Y'all, this video is so long. This is crazy. Y'all still watching it, I appreciate you. If you still watching, can you please click the subscribe button for me? I would appreciate you even more. If y'all still watching, can you leave a comment? Talk to your girl. What y'all want to see? Might not get the video out quick, but it'll come out eventually. Ha. And now I'm going in with like a more red color. Am I? I can't really see it. I think so. But like if you was trying to replicate this look, you can make it your own. Like start off with like a powder blue, then like maybe like powder blue, and then maybe like a regular blue. Maybe like powder blue and sky blue, are those different? Kind of different. And then like a navy blue. Like you could do it like however you want to do it. Don't even have to be glitter or shimmer or anything. Nah, this the red. I'm doing the red now. But make it your own. Like that's what I love about doing makeup. It's like art. I wouldn't consider myself like, I ain't gonna even say that. I would consider myself an artist. But like as far as like being able to paint and stuff like that, like that's not my forte. But when it comes to my face, I would paint that face, man. I'll paint. Wait. But yeah, I enjoy doing my makeup. Y'all see it kind of coming together, look good when I open my eyes and just look straight. When I look down, it don't look the best, but it's okay. It's okay. And I'm just gonna go back in and make sure I redo that black line. So I guess it wouldn't even matter, honestly. Like, because I still went back with the black. Now I'm gonna take this white and put it in like my waterline just to make my eyes look a little bigger. Just a little illusion, make them appear a little bigger than what they are. I feel like the most captivating thing about a cat are their eyes. It would have been fine if I had like some pink contacts. That would have been real cute. But again, this was last minute. So we're just gonna make them look a little bigger with this. Y'all see? Kinda, maybe, I don't know. So now I'm gonna go in with my concealer again and just clean up where I put that glitter, because I do want it to come to like a point, you know. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. I'm still looking at people post about Halloween. It's currently the night of October 29th, going into October 30th, so everybody is outside. Next year I'm coming back. I don't know what I'm gonna be, and I hope I'm not just talking, but I do plan on dressing up next year and knowing more about where I'm staying now. Magic City Classic was this weekend, but I'm not home for that. And like I said, I did want to relax, but I'm salty. Definitely having FOMO right now. Bad case of FOMO right now. Oh, and with the glitter. Whenever you use glitter, if you're gonna do eyeliner or anything like that, at least with this glitter, try not to get the glitter. You don't need to get the glitter that close to your lash line, because your eyeliner's gonna go there. So with my eyeliner, it's a felted tip. So when it goes over those like little glitter bits, it gets dry. And it dries out the felted tip, which causes me not to be able to put causes it not to be able to put out product onto my eye. So it gets really dry, and it's really like me just dragging a piece of cloth across my eyelid. Like, no. So lesson learned, if you have like a liquid liner, I think it should be okay. Mine is liquid, but you apply it with a felted tip. So if it goes over like dry spots, the glitter is not going to be able to like put the product out. It's just going to dry up. It's like having a marker that don't have no more ink in it. That's what it is. It's not dried out, but you just have to keep stopping and wiping the felted tip. I don't know, y'all. I think I'm over explaining it, and I hope it helps, but I also hope it ain't confusing you. I hope it's not confusing. Sometimes when you over-explain things, it makes things sound a little bit more complicated. So let me just stop talking. So now I'm doing my liner, and I wanted it to touch on the outside, like, and meet with the black that I put on top of my cut crease. Like I said, I want an exaggerated cat eye. And then I'm just gonna get me a liner and go right up under where I put the white. Okay, y'all, we're more than halfway through the video. If you're still here, thank you for bearing with me. This is the longest video I think I might have up. Whew. But like I said, I want it to be as detailed as possible on this video. Now I'm going with that, let's just call it black paint. The black paint with the same little thin brush, and I'm just going to exaggerate my cat eye more towards the center of my face. I'm just going to bring it down and then going to fill it in at the points. And then again, concealer to clean it up. Make it a little more pointy and just make it look a little more neat. Right there. Cause it look a little beaky. I think I was also looking at like a picture I found on Pinterest on how to do this. It was like in my lap, and I just kept looking down, trying to get it right. I want to do something real intricate, like where I do paint my whole face, like do avatar or something like that. I'm gonna try next year. We're gonna see. I don't be knowing what I be doing. Y'all just be doing stuff. Just be doing stuff. I know how I want something to look, and I just try to do whatever I can to get to that look. You know what I'm saying? I don't think that's as good as I'm gonna get it, but I think that helped a lot. It helped a lot. I want that to touch. I think. Is that what I'm doing? Oh, it's not even touching. It's just running up under it. I didn't even realize that. I think I would have preferred them to like come in and touch. And now I'm just gonna clean up under here with concealer once again. And once I get past this part, I think it kind of goes a little faster. The eyes are just the main thing with my makeup. And I just wanted it to look as close to whatever picture I was looking at. I don't know what picture I was looking at, but yeah. Now it's time to contour and highlight. Of course, I'm going with my lighter shade of my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Put it underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, chin, and forehead. And then we're just going to blend all that out. Yeah. So I don't even know why I took this dang headscarf off, because I did not blend my forehead well at all. So my forehead wasn't blended good. Around my neck wasn't blended good. Like, looking at this video, I'm like, dang. Did I not see this? Like, watching these videos back and everything, like, it really helps me do better with my makeup now, because I see what I'm doing. Like, I'm looking at myself. It's different than looking at yourself in the mirror. Like, watching yourself on video, on camera, and you light here, dark here, and it ain't blending. It look real crazy. Real crazy. But my pictures came out good. So I guess that's all that matters, right? The pics look good, then you good. Then don't even matter. And I'm gonna go with my contouring color, and this could have definitely been a little darker, but you know, this was like when I said this was 2019, I think, so like 2 years ago. Ooh, 3 years ago. I'm bad with this. Let's see. Oh, y'all, this was 2018. 2018. So yeah, this was a while ago. This was like 4 years ago. Wow. I'm not even blending this good. Look at that. Horrible. Oh, girl. Girl. And I'm gonna go in and just go down the sides of my nose with this. I don't even know what it is. Some kind of dark color. I think it's my Maybelline palette. But y'all, this looks so bad, like looking at it. Ugh. It's okay. Like I said, the pictures look good, so it's all that matter. Blend it into my eyebrows. Back up. Just kidding. And now I'm gonna make it worse. I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier and set the places where I put my lighter colors or my highlight. Okay. Now, I was like, do I like a cow? Is this a cow? A cow look? I was confused with myself. But again, I was looking at a picture. I wish I had the picture I was looking at. But like, I felt like I was starting like a cow. But I'm just taking the same paint that I used on my around my cut crease to do my nose. Again, looking at a picture and it said cat and it looked like a cat, and I think I look like a cat. I think I look like a cat, you know. But just doing it very like in my nose. Like that. Try to make it as even as you can across. I'm also on FaceTime, I think. And I'm gonna do the line right down the center of your face. That should be easy. Right into your Cupid's bow. Don't I like a cow? Okay, maybe not. I just looked at the video. I looked at some pictures. Cows have pink at the bottom of their nose. Some of these girls got yeah, I don't know. A lot of the cows have pink at the end, so maybe not. Let's go with cat makeup. And now I'm just making the little dots where my whiskers come out. Oh, I think this is actually the picture. I'm gonna put the picture up here. I think I found the picture that I was looking at. It's exactly it. Okay, I got the picture, so now y'all gonna see. That's crazy how my memory jumped right to that picture. All I did is Google it. It was like the first picture on there. And now we're gonna do the whiskers. Y'all remember Brandy and Mr. Whiskers? Good times. Dave the Barbarian. Good times. And I'm gonna wipe this stuff off just because my whiskers are probably gonna get messed up, or I'm gonna mess that up if I don't. So I'm just gonna dust off my Laura Mercier. I don't know if I be saying that right. Laura Mercier. We're gonna dust that right on off. And we're gonna go ahead and put the blush on, because I don't want to be putting blush on top of the whiskers. Then we're gonna do these whiskers. Just straight lines, 3 straight lines on both sides. I probably could have fanned them out a little more, but I think it looks cute. Messed it up. Nervous, talking on the phone, that's why. Yeah, I messed up the other side. See? The first side on this one worked out, but then the second side didn't. So like I said, like it depends on what I'm doing. Like it alternates. That's crazy. Yes. Perfect example. What I was talking about in the beginning of the video. If you ain't see it, go back to the beginning of the video and watch it, okay? But yeah. That's a perfectly good example right there of what I was talking about in the beginning of my video. And now I'm going with my Fenty. Y'all, I don't know where this stuff went. Like, it was so beautiful. This black was so beautiful. I might have to buy me some more. This just disappeared. I think I wore this twice. One time for Halloween and one time going out. But this black lipstick, or whatever you want to call it, is amazing. Let me see if she still even got that. I don't even see it on here no more. That black was amazing. Or was this lip gloss? What's this called? But what y'all think about it? Do y'all like it? Get that on out the inside of my mouth. I think I did good. Like, I think I did really good for my first little cat look. You know what I'm saying? Like, it looked pretty good. I'm going to do my highlight now. And I'm gonna put that everywhere I did the highlights. But I'm just using my finger. I don't know why I did. But I'm putting in the same areas that I always, put it in. Dang, yeah, that black color is gone. Dang. Now I'm gonna set it with my spray. Everything. And now I'm gonna put in on my mascara. This is I think Telescope by Revlon. And of course, I have to put on lashes over. Kind of wish I had thicker lashes for this, like a little more dramatic. But I think these look cute. I think they look cute. Look at my eyebrows. Like, that black look amazing, don't it, y'all? Look at that black on my brows. Like, that looks perfect. Amazing, y'all. Like, Now I'm thinking, should I go back to black? Because that looks so good. My shadow could have been a little more crispier. But y'all, I think I really loved this cat look. Simple but cute. Simple but cute. I put on my black latex outfit and my cat ears and then my cat tail, and I was ready to go, baby. Oh, and my heels with a little fur on it. Yes. Okay, don't like a cat.
Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, this good.
Thanks.
Wait, go ahead. Yeah, this good.
Thanks. But here's the finished look, y'all. Oh, and I got the little choker. I forgot. But look at it, y'all. My bangs. my edges and everything just came together. I really love this look, y'all. Tell me what y'all think, okay? And I will see y'all next Halloween. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, okay? Until next time.